Yeah, the knife is to do, so I want to sharpen.
Okay, can you tell me which are those? This is
10,000, 8,000, 3,000, it's 400. I'm sharpening with the 3,000 first.
what does that mean? 3,000.
The 3,000 is the stones, like 1 square centimeters and how many sand in. So it's like 3,000 sand in 1 cubic centimeter.
Ah, I see.
I'm just gonna use 3,000 first and then 8,000 and 10,000.
Okay.
This is a diamond stone. Usually I make it flat. There's a two sides, like 400 and 1,000.
Yeah.
And this one is more, how is it, rough than the stone, so it's easy to
Like
sharpen. Yeah. It's gonna take forever, so I just change it. The diamond stone, I gonna make to geometry of the blade. And the edge of the blade actually is damaged. When I closed off, it's like the makeup.
Yeah, I can see. I think so.
It's on the other side.
Oh.
It's like looks like a saw.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna remove everything. When you touch it with a finger, it's just smooth. But the other side, it has a lot of burr. You can feel it. You can hearing the sound. It's a burr. So this one is like already grind off, and the burr goes to the other side. And then I'm just gonna remove the burr the other side. And the burr goes to the other side, and this one is like smooth. Then it's almost done to make the geometry of the blade. And starting over. 3,000. Yeah. You can feel the micro ball. It's a finer. And this side is smooth. So this stone is more final, so I'm not gonna like press more than. So I'm gonna press really, how's it, light.
Light.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is like polishing, not grinding out the stuff. I mean, blade.
The edge, yeah,
Yes.
the edge of the blade.
Shiny like a mirror. So just remove the scratches. Then 10,000.
10,000. See, if you see your reflection,
Mm-hmm.
then probably it's good,
Yeah.
right?
So now we're gonna test the knife.
Yeah, let's test it with the paper.
Yeah.
하나, 둘, 셋.
Good. 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 Good.
Yeah.
Good. Good.